Coach, congratulations. What can you say about this match today? It's very strong match today.
I did expect a very strong game. You know, they changed the course, and Sami knows Hilal very good. You know, he did very good. Hilal play first half beautiful. We didn't start so good, but second half we are really dominant and we play strong game. We scored one goal, but we had 2-3 more beautiful chances to win the game. But anyway, it's fantastic from Miti what we did. And I would like to congratulate our supporters. They're fantastic today. Huh?
The fans is very happy for you today. Do you think there is a much different between Al Ittihad on the first half and second half today?
Definitely. We play much better second half.
Also there is a big difference between Al Ittihad today and Al Ittihad in Riyadh also.
No, you never can. Hilal is a superior team. Hilal is champion 2 years. You know, Hilal is without losing the game. But you know, we have to see we did fantastic job in the last 3 games.
وأردد ما ذكره السيد ديمتري بأنه عندما سئل عن توقع عن صعوبة المباراة قال نعم توقعت صعوبة المباراة بلا تغيير الجهاز الفني وتوقعت أنه يقابل خصم شرس جدا. فسامي الجابر يعرف الفريق جيدا ويعرف عناصر الفريق ويعرف أيضا الفريق الاتحادي وكان من المنتظر أن تكون مثل هذه المباراة. وأثنى على سامي الجابر وسيطرته في الشوط الأول على المباراة ومن ثم عاد ديمتري إلى الشوط الثاني كما أكد من خلال سيطرة خط الوسط على مجريات المباراة ونجح في تسجيل أو إدراك التعادل.